Hello and welcome back everyone to this channel, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Django project. So I'm using Windows, so open a terminal, and after opening terminal, first make sure you have installed the Python version 3.6 or newer. So to check the version, type here Python, then hyphen version and hit enter. As you can see, I have installed Python 3.9. Now next step is to create a virtual environment. So for that, type Python mvenv, and this venv is a package to create a virtual environment, and then give an environment name. So here the environment name is env, and you can give any name. Hit enter. Now environment is created. So next step is to activate this environment that you have created just now. To activate on Windows, type here env, which is the environment name that you are going to activate, then scripts, then slash, and then call the activate and hit enter. And if you see something like env within a parenthesis, then you have successfully activated the environment. Now next step is to install the Django. So to install the Django, execute the command pip install Django and hit enter. And it takes some time and installs a Django framework in your environment. So as you can see here, it downloaded the Django version 4.2.11. As you can see here, Django is successfully installed. To check the Django version, you can type here Python m Django version and hit enter. As you can see here, the Django version installed is a 4.2.11. Now, next step is to create a Django project. So, to create a Django project, we need to execute the command Django admin and then start project. That means you are going to create a new project, new Django project, and after that specify the Django project name. So here I'm going to give any name like a Django pros and hit enter. So Django project is created successfully. To view, type here dir on Windows, and now you can see here there is a directory Django pros, and this is the project that we have created using the command Django admin start project. So let's open this directory in a Visual Studio. So I'm going to cd Django pros and then code dot. So I've opened the Django project in Visual Studio Code, and you will see the directory like this. This is the Django project that we have created, and it contains some files like init, ASGI setting URLs. So let's know about what is the purpose of these files. So here, the first thing that you see here, this is the init.py. And this init.py is an empty file that tells Python that this directory should be considered as a Python package. Now the next we have ASGIE, and this file contains a code and which is an entry point for ASGI compatible web server and WSGI compatible web server to serve your project. Now next we have a setting.py file, and this setting.py file is going to contain the settings or configuration for the Django project. And after that we have a urls.py, and this file contains a declaration for the Django project. You specify all the URL, all the routes for your web projects. And next we have a WSGIE, and this WSGI is same as ASGI. This is how you can create a Django project. So at last I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and thank you.